So hi everyone, welcome back once again to our daily job sharing series. So basically we go create some sort of videos on YouTube and share job news on daily basis, right? So let me share a couple of jobs for the freshers. So this is freshers plus experience. So this is a disclaimer which means whatever job news I'm going to say with you, authenticate from your end because I don't want you to be part of any scam, right? So now let's get started. So guys, this is the first opening that we have which is for the freshers, right? So they are hiring for fresher with the web pen testing and mobile pen testing. This is the QR code which you can scan. You can see here I just zoomed it out, right? OWASP top 10, mobile top 10, strong problem solving skills, and all those knowledge is required, right? Cyberarise.com is the mail on which you can drop it. And meanwhile, if you're looking for a training or internship program on web application pen testing, today is the last day to join. Just check out the both the URLs if you are willing to get some knowledge and internship and experience and job support, right? Now the next opening is basically for the freshers once again because it's 1 to 2 years of experience required. Network engineer, 25 to 30,000 is they are going to pay. They are the key skills. They are the requirement what they are looking for. This is mail ID on which you can drop it, right? So this is what you can see. Now the next opening is silver fort security engineer specialist. All those things you see, there's a lot of opening, right? And this is in Australian for the Australian client. 4:30 to 2 p.m. is the work role, and this is what you can see the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? This is remote job and hybrid. Now VAPT specialist is the position someone looking for Mumbai contact base. This is for the role VAPT, right? And it's Mumbai on site you need to work, and this is hands-on experience required for VAPT experience and all those things. Contact you at topsqill.com is the mail on which you can drop resume, right? Next opening is basically a security intern, 6 months of experience is required. Internship duration is it's a 6 month internship, full-time internship, right? And there are things, responsibility, key skills which is required. Eligibilities, you should be BTech, MTech, all those things. You can see there's a lot of opening, right? And below is the mail. It's in crew pro hr.pro.in, the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? Next opening is basically for the freshers, experienced freshers. There are a couple of positions: cybersecurity, ethical hacking. I don't know what exactly. First of all, the problem is a lot of companies not clearing what exactly they need to do. They just mention cybersecurity, ethical hacking. What exactly it means? Just let me know in the comment box. 3.5 to 80 LPA they are going to pay, and this is what they have. So guys, just check out this URL if you want to apply for this job. That's what we have. Thank you very much for watching. This is TCI. If you want to learn about web-based and pen testing, if you want to learn about SOC, check out both the URLs because you will learn, you will earn, you will get a job reference and a lot more things, right? So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai.